Put the ingredients on the table. For the recipe, visit JAMAICANdinners.com. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 20 to 30 minutes before baking. Peel 1.5 pounds of sweet potato, thin skin like this. Grate the sweet potato to puree with a fine whole grater like this. Soak half cup of raisin in half cup red wine. Use water instead. Pour 2 teaspoons vanilla extract and pour half teaspoon white rum in it. The rum is optional. Put a mesh strainer into a bowl. Add 1 cup flour, half cup cornmeal, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder optional, and 1/4 teaspoon grounded nutmeg optional. Sift the dried ingredients like this. Put 1.5 pound brown sugar on it. Add the grated sweet potato puree. Pour the wine mixture on it and then the 2 cups of coconut milk. Combine the ingredients good with a mixer or use a wooden spoon like me. Pour the dough into a big enough baking pan, greased and lined with 2 greased papers. Cover the baking pan with a lid like this. Bake for 1 hour and 35 minutes on the rack up from the middle. When the sweet potato pudding separates itself from the baking pan like this is the sign. The proof is ready. Allow cooling before you eat Jamaican sweet potato pudding. For the details, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.